Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in previous videos we saw that how we can navigate between these links back and forth using the link component provided by the React router DOM. Okay, as you can see there are my links. Okay, now the problem is that both both the links, they both appear to be same irrespective of whether which link is selected. Like home link is selected, it's not showing any differently. So it is not a good user experience. So what we do is we use another component that is yet again provided by React router DOM, that is navlink. Okay, so instead of link we're going to import navlink, and we're going to replace navlink with link. Okay, so what navlink does is, let's go to our app, let's inspect. Okay, and go to here. So as you can see that here this class active. So what navlink does is it's gonna add an active class to the link which is selected. Okay, for example, if I select products, you can see that class active is present in the products link. Okay, so that's how navlink works. It's gonna add an active class to the selected link, and we can use that thing to style it differently, to style the currently selected link differently. Okay, we can do that by going to app.css. Okay, we're gonna say nav, we're gonna say a, that is for anchor tag, dot active, which is the active class that we just saw, and we're gonna write font weight bold. Okay, we're gonna bold the text or the link which is currently selected. Let's see, you can see we are now on products page, so products is bold. When we go to home, it's like this. Now it's possible that you may not be using the separate CSS file for styling your app. You may be using CSS in JavaScript. So for that we can do another thing, we can just comment this out. Okay, let's go to our app.js, and in our app.js what we're gonna do is we're gonna say style is equals to, say nav styles. Okay, we're gonna copy this. Okay, now we're gonna define the nav styles. We're gonna say const nav styles is equals to function. Now this nav styles, what it does is nav links, it's gonna provide an is active class. You can destructure it. It's gonna provide a is active boolean value. Actually, sorry, it's a boolean value. Okay, suppose home is selected. Okay, then what navlink will do, it's gonna add a class name active that we saw in the inspect element, and if that is so, then this is active value for this navlink would be true, and we're going to style it accordingly. So we're going to return an object, and we're going to say font weight. Now this is going to be according to the is active. We're going to use conditional rendering. We're going to say is active. If the active class is present, that means it is the selected link. Then you're gonna add a style bold. If it is not, then you're gonna make it normal. Simple. We're gonna save it. Let's see if it's working or not. It is working exactly the same. So this is how you can use navlink instead of link. If you wanna, give an extra touch to your nav bar, it's gonna look really nice and provides a better UI experience. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video and stay tuned for more.